Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to make your friend list private on Facebook. So what you need to do is open up the Facebook app. If you are not updated the Facebook app, then please update it from the Play Store or the App Store. So once you are here, you need to click on the three horizontal lines that you see at the top right corner, and then scroll down at the bottom and you will see settings. You need to click on that. You need to click on settings and privacy. Then you need to click on settings here. Okay, now it will take you to these options. Now scroll down, you will see account, then preferences, then you will see audience and visibility. Okay, so under audience and visibility you need to click on the third option, how people find and contact you. Okay, which is right here. You need to tap on that one. Now you can see the second option, who can see your friend list. Okay, just click on that arrow or simply click on the who can see your friend list. Now if it is set to public, then you can set to friends, or you can simply select as only me. Alright, so once you do this, then your friend list will be completely private. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.